Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So my tutorial today is going to be a fake bake. So I have this adorable Hello Kitty head from a couple years back. My daughter sent me a eatable arrangement because I was really into Hello Kitty at the time. So I never got rid of this and I don't want to get rid of it. So I figured why not make something fun with it. So I already went around the edge of it with some sprinkles, and then I covered the top, that way I don't have to stuff it all the way to the bottom with spackle. I have a whole bunch of things sitting here on the side that I had made from other things that we're going to be just attaching in here, making it look cute. So let's start off with the spackle, because we gotta get some spackle in here first. And I'm just going around. Got some gaps right here in the corner, so I gotta do that. I'm just going the whole way around right here at the edges. I don't like the gaps I have, well, I had, because we just fixed it. Alright, I'm gonna sit this here aside. Then, as you see how cute that's on there. Okay, let's start attaching some things in here. I think this cute little lollipop I made. Okay, so I got a snow cone. I don't know if I want to put my snow comb in or not. I think it would look cool. I have this cute little cupcake. I don't know where I'm going to stick it. I don't want to stick it right in the middle. Then we have some donuts. I don't know where I'm going to stick my cupcake. I have another donut. Turn it this way, you guys can see. Oops. And then I have these macaroons. I made a whole bunch when I did another project. So I figured we might as well use these adorable things. I have this cute little swizzly straw that I wanted to use before. So I kind of want to, I'm going to try. Then I have a strawberry. I have another macaroon. I can stick this one right here. I think I'm going to stick my cupcake back here in this big gap I have back here. But before I do that, I think I want to try to put a stick in here. Just to make sure that it's going to hold and not come out on me. I want to stick the cupcake back here. See, I have a gap. Okay. I gotta get this in here somehow. Okay, see? And then I have a strawberry with a stick right here in the front. And then I have another little donut. Okay, and then the little donut, I think I'm going to stick here to kind of try to hold the little straw thing. See? And then I have this little strawberry. I'm going to shove this little macaroon in here somehow. See that tiny one in the front? And then we're going to put this adorable little strawberry right here in the front. See? And then I have some white. I don't like the way that one looks. Let's try this pink. I love it. I think it looks pretty cool. I kind of want to put, let me see if I can tilt it this way a little bit. I wonder if I get some sprinkles up in there. No, I better leave that one alone. I feel like I have like a gap right here. I do not like see it. So I'm gonna find something we can just grab and stick on there. Maybe put this. Yeah, that might work. Excuse me. I wish I had like a flower or something. I think this is gonna work. Okay. I had like a brownie I made. I really don't have nowhere to stick the brownie, so we're gonna leave the brownie out. This just keeps. You be nice and you stay there. Okay. We're done. I like it. I like it. So we are done. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. Oh my god. I'm gonna definitely put this in my makeup room once it's fully dry. But it was fun, it was easy, and it was quick. So if you guys get little things like this, I find a lot of these in the thrift store, but I never get them because it's never one I really like. But like I said, this is one I had for a very long time and I was saving it. So I figured why not make something cute with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was something quick and, easy, but I do have tutorials on all the different things that you see here. So you can go back and check out and see how I did them. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.